right? So if you show disloyalty or disaffection towards the Constitution of India and the country, then you may be subject to deprivation of the citizenship as well. Or if you have concealed some data, if you have misrepresented some fact, if you have provided some wrong information to the government, right? If you were supporting Australia yesterday, so in that case, anyway, you supporting or not supporting wouldn't have made a difference. So लॉस ऑफ सिटीजनशिप कैन हैपन, है ना? अगर आपको देख लिया जाता कल स्टेडियम के अंदर पीले कपड़े पहने हुए, तो आग लगा दी जाती आपके अंदर. एनीवे, सो दिस इज लॉस ऑफ सिटीजनशिप. देन वी हैव द ओवरसीज सिटीजनशिप ऑफ इंडिया. तुम्हार कोई ब्लेम किया जाता हार के लिए? देखो यही सब होता है स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर. पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस. बट इंडिया में लोगों को स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह की समझ नहीं है ना. देख खेले नहीं है खुद से तो क्या करें. इसीलिए अब जो है सब, अभी तक कल अगर जीत जाते तो बड़ा खुश होते हैं, नाचते झूमते. अभी जो है सब कमियां दिख रही हैं उनको टीम के अंदर. ऐसा आपको बहुत लोग मिल जाएंगे, चाय की टपरी के ऊपर, पान वाले की दुकान पे, तुम्हारे घर के अंदर अंकल, मौसा, बुआ, फूफा सब मिल जाएंगे अभी क्रिटिसाइज करने वाले. अब सब कमियां दिखेंगी उन्हें. ऐसा ही तुम्हारे साथ भी होगा, याद रखना ये बात. जब क्वालिफाई कर जाओगे जब क्वालिफाई कर जाओगे तो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट खूब तुम्हारा फोटो छापेगा, है ना, मिल्क करेगा तुम्हारे नाम को. सब जो है इधर उधर का रिश्तेदार जो है, सब हर कोई अपना रिश्ता बनाएगा कि मैंने इसको बचपन में लड्डू खिलाया था इसीलिए इसका सिलेक्शन हुआ, और ये सब आलतू फालतू का बकवास करेगा. एंड व्हेन यू विल नॉट गेट सेलेक्टेड, नो वन विल गिव अ डैम, एंड देन दे विल से कि हाँ वो उस लड़की के साथ घूमता था ना इसलिए हुआ ये, हाँ पढ़ाई में कहाँ ध्यान था इसका. तो ये सब होगा. दिस इज व्हाट विल हैपन. दिस इज हाउ पीपल आर. दिस इज हाउ द सोसाइटी इज. You have to understand that, and I'm sure there must be some among you also, those who must be criticizing the same cricket team. Till yesterday 2 o'clock they had all the hopes. 2 o'clock नहीं, 3 बजे तक, जब तक छक्का चौका पड़ रहा था तब तक तो खुश थे, बड़ा एकदम ताली बजा रहे थे. अभी मैं होके क्या है ना, तो अभी कोई बोल रहा है कि अरे तो होना ही था, ये रोहित शर्मा ये सब जो है इतना बड़ा इनको चढ़ा के रखा हुआ है. जब तक वो कल 2:30 पौने 3 बजे तक छक्का चौका मार रहा था तब तक तुम्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं था. पर जैसे ही अभी हार गए, कल जीत जाते तो फिर तुम नहीं ये सब बोलते. हार गए तो अभी तो ये एक्चुअली वी डिजर्व दिस. व्हाई? बिकॉज एज अ नेशन वी डोंट एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड द स्पिरिट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्स, you lose, you win some. This is how it is. You know, you have to give credit to the other team as well. You have to give credit to the others as well, that they have done extremely well, that we should try to learn from them instead of just criticizing ourselves all the time, you know. And at times there is an element of luck as well, there is an element of chance as well. There are so many things that go in your favor, that don't go in your favor, which you don't understand. ये बड़ा important है. एग्जाम के अंदर भी ये ध्यान रखिएगा बात. Because as I have told you time and again, देखिए सब कुछ करके भी everything was done right, then you win 10 and then you lose the 11th one. No one is going to remember what you did in the first 10. Everyone is going to talk about what you did in the 11th. The same is with the UPSC exam as well. You will qualify all the stages. You will qualify prelims, you will qualify mains, you will reach the interview. You would have done well in the interview as well, but if you don't find your name in the merit list, people will think that you are a failure. But believe me, that is not how things work. That is not how life works. You know, success or failure on one day, in one examination, in one cricket match, in one hockey match, in one moment does not define what a person is. Sports persons work there. ये तो देखिए क्रिकेट है, इसके अंदर तो इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है to make a comeback for a cricketer. I can tell you that because I played cricket, I play cricket, and I can tell you this for a fact that it's very easy for a cricketer. For the other sports person, those who are athletes, those who are competing in Olympics, they get barely a few seconds. That their entire hard work of 4 years of their entire life comes down to just those few seconds of how they do things in those few seconds. You make one mistake, you are out of it. That is how it is. And it's very ruthless out there at the international level. It is absolutely ruthless. Some of the sports are extremely ruthless. You know, I read this one book by Abhinav Bindra, the autobiography which he has written. If you read that, then you understand the kind of struggles which he had to go through. First he went to Sydney Olympics, then he went to Athens Olympics, then he went to Beijing Olympics, and that is when he won the gold, right? And he lost out twice, but in his sport he says that the margin is so less. In his game it is even lesser. इस सब के अंदर तो क्या है कि इतना बड़ा बॉल है, इतना बड़ा विकेट है, इतना बड़ा बल्ला है ना, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. देयर इट इज लिटरली फाइनेस्ट ऑफ द मार्जिन्स द स्कोर होवर्स इन शूटिंग एज अ स्पोर्ट. बिल्कुल फाइनेस्ट ऑफ द 0.001 मिलीमीटर के ऊपर गेम चल रहा है वहां पे, as thin as your hair strand. That is the kind of sport which people are playing. So it is but obvious that you will do well at times and you will not do well at times. And that is also one thing. If you read his book, and that is what happened with him when he won the gold, Abhinav Bindra. After that, he didn't know what to do, because he believed that I have achieved what I wanted to. इस पूरी जिंदगी मैंने इसी के लिए मेहनत की 10-15 साल, अब मैंने अचीव कर लिया है. So he felt a vacuum. He retired from the sport. Then he came back again because he said कि I was not feeling the thrill any longer. मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. When you reach the top, when you reach the pinnacle, that is when you actually don't know what is to be done after that. जब आप सबसे ऊपर पहुंच जाते हैं तब सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है आदमी को, क्योंकि पता नहीं होता कि ऊपर का अब कहाँ जाएं. What is the next goal in life? So then he restarted again. He left shooting, then he came back again. The point that I'm trying to make is that even in exam, even in real life, this will happen. Don't expect life to be a bed of roses. It will always, there will be times when you will face success, when you will get failure. At times you will get success when you were not expecting success. At times you will get failure when you were not expecting failure. But this is what life is. So you have to live with the reality of the life and just move on. Yes, it hurts, it feels bad. And आप भी लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तैयारी कर रहे हैं. मैंने हमेशा ये बात बोली है कि ये पहली क्लास से मैंने बात बोली है, एग्जाम में सक्सेस होगा नहीं होगा ये किसी के बस की बात नहीं है बताना, है ना. देयर इज नो वन हु कैन सी थ्रू दैट क्रिस्टल बॉल एंड कैन टेल वेदर यू विल क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम और नॉट. दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस. There are so many things which are out of your hands. There are so many things which are dependent on luck. So many other factors which are there, which are beyond your control. You can't be controlling those things. You have to focus on what you can do, what is in your hands. है ना. कंट्रोल जो आपके हाथ में हैं चीजें, उनको कंट्रोल कीजिए, मेहनत कीजिए अपनी तरफ से, so that at the end of the day, even when success doesn't come to you, which is anyway not a guarantee, you at least feel satisfied that I worked hard, that I did what I could to the best of my ability. मैं अपनी तरफ से जितना कर सकता था उतना मैंने किया, है ना. So that is what is very important. वही बस सबसे important चीज है. I mean, people may say things. I believe that they fought really well. I think they fought till the last whatever they could. Their body language never showed that they had given up at any point of time. I think that's the best thing which you expect from when someone is representing your country or when someone is fighting it out for the country. Success or failure and all of these things are just a matter of here and there. And ifs and buts are a lot of things which can happen in life, and you should remember that. ये बड़ा एक important चीज है. आपको इससे एक lesson मिलना चाहिए एग्जाम के लिए कि आप सब कुछ सही करेंगे तब भी हो सकता है कुछ गलत हो जाए, है ना. Despite doing everything correctly, despite reading all the books, despite solving all the questions, things may go wrong. हो जाता है. This is what is human, है ना? But you have to accept it, move on, take a lesson from it, and do well in life in whatever you are doing. That is what your idea and attempt should be. ये बड़ा important चीज है जो सबको समझना चाहिए. Success is not everything. And what is success ultimately? You may become an IAS if you're not happy. I always say this. If you're not happy, if you become an IAS, if you're not enjoying what you're doing, so it doesn't matter. Then all of this is a waste of time. It's a waste of energy, है ना. कोई फायदा नहीं है. आप बन जाइए सेक्रेटरी, बन जाइए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर, आप प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया बन जाइए, आप खुश नहीं है तो क्या फायदा है. And I can show you people, those who are living in the mountains, those who are living an ignorant life, they are completely living a blissful life. They don't have money, they don't have the resources, they don't have the mobile phones, they don't have all the facilities that we have, but yet they are living a very blissful life. So you have to remember that at the end of the day. सबसे important objective जिंदगी में इंसान खुशी ही ढूंढता है. Just try to look for that in whatever you can. That's it. Anyway, so now overseas citizenship of India.